What's up, everyone? It's Trainer Dell. In this video, we got another game day of just playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. Gonna start off with the Dark Magicians this morning. You know, gotta represent. So we got this on. Yeah, let's just see how today goes. I want to get in maybe film 3 duels. Seeing how I feel. We'll start off with Dark Magicians. And maybe we'll just let them ride, or maybe 2 of each of my decks. We'll see how I feel. Sometimes I just see how the day goes with this gameplay. Oh, okay, got some stuff here. Got some plays. Birthday Anaconda. No. I mean, Verte's in here, but Dragoon is banned. So, Dark Magic Veil. We'll see what our opponent has, to be honest, because you just never know. Oh, Pendulums! Skull Crobat Joker. Pendulums. Oh, man. A Rod would have been awesome. I need to banish some stuff. That's like the only way to get rid of them. Odd Eyes. Let's see, I have no idea what this one does. Once you're entering end phase, if you want to activate a card, well, special summon this card, and if you do, place 1 Odd Eyes from your extra deck into your Pendulum Zone except Persona. Okay. And right now it is a... I have no idea. To scale 1? I guess it's making me smaller. Okay. Just do it like that. And then 8. Ash. That would have been cool early on. This doesn't go to the graveyard, so that's a little shame. Once returned, if you have a Magician card in your other Pendulum Zone, you can discard, but he doesn't, right? Because Persona Dragon isn't. Okay, we're just gonna go off. We're gonna discard... This is a bad idea, but we're going to discard the Ash. We're going to go there. We're just going to hope he doesn't negate. Okay, no. No hand traps, nothing. Alright. So then we can normal. Ah, that's the 1,000. There's the Dark Magician. We're gonna set it and forget it. It's only when it's normal summon, so that's fine. Do we go I? If we go I, oh no. If we go Iptomias, we can go into this one, and he becomes Dark Magician while in the graveyard as well. I guess we need to recur him. So in the graveyard, there's maybe I should have gotten rid of Iptomias and kept Ash. But we are going to go for it. Yeah, we're going for it. The Dark Magician. We're just gonna play everything out. I guess the Dark Magicians. Like, Dark Paladin would have been cool, but I need to keep a card in hand. And heal the Dark Magicians here. So if they play any Spoil Trap cards, we could draw. Hopefully get that advantage going off, and it is still a spellcaster in case we on attack. So battle, attack here. Sadly, no graveyard shenanigans. We can't just banish it. Oh, I hope that was the right play. Can they OTK? I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure they can OTK. If given the right cards. Because that's Skullcrow, but you just need 2 4s. And you can go into Utopia double. The only thing is it's not a magician. He still has 1 through 8 pendulum scale. Okay, still go off. Oh, nah. Well, you don't want to flip that because I believe it's only if it leaves, if this face-up card leaves the field. So if it's destroyed or whatever, removed, I think it's fine. We don't need to activate if we don't need to. Attack. Is that really the move you want to do? No, but we can go into damage step, right? And then activate, yeah. Maybe that's what my opponent wants? But that's a 2k wall. And turn, yeah, this is where we flip and we go and actually grab, yeah, we grab Dark Magic Attack right here. This is a Dark Magic Attack play. We get ashed. Oh, what's this? Negate any activated by your opponents. Okay. I think it's negated, right? Oh, never mind. Sure. Now we get that extra draw. Ooh. I'm sorry, little one. It's basically over. All we have to do is attack, but we're gonna... Yeah. No, Is there any increasing or attacking? No, right? No, there's no... Yeah, we're not even gonna waste time. GG's. Yeah. GG's. There's really nothing else we need to do. We need to prolong this game any much longer. Okay, so Timaeus was the good card to hold on to. Timaeus was the good card to hold on to. Alright. Main menu. We'll get one more game in. That was a good starting off game to start the day. I hope you guys are enjoying all these Master Duel games. We're just seeing how the dice rolls. We do want to go first. Imagine he's playing Rockets and I get OTK'd. They got a lot of good cards that can enable combos. Like, just simple, easy combos. Oh. Well. Okay then. Send this card to the graveyard. We're sending Dark Magician Girl, right? Yeah, we're sending Dark Magician Girl. No, I don't need to do that. Defense mode. Ooh, Imperm. Do I want to? Nah. We actually end Soul Servant here. We put Rod on top. Nah. We put Rod right on top. Use up the Imperm. We can now banish that. Draw the 1. Alright, let's just hope there's not another Imperm here. I mean, regardless, we do have Illusion Magic. Yes, we want to activate that. We're gonna get... Oh, there's so many choices here. Okay, so the smart choice might be this one, and then we fuse the Dark Magician. We fuse the Dark Magician with that. Make Magician, but we won't have any negation, so we're just gonna roll the dice here. We're gonna just roll the dice. No. Not what we'd like to see. We can add, yeah. We're gonna add that. And we're just gonna put another Rod on top. He's negated, which is fine. Special summon. You know what? We're just gonna set this actually. We get OTK'd, we get OTK'd. This was not the most perfect. Maybe setting up other things would have been good. Like, after getting this, I mean, we wouldn't have gone this, but if we had gone for the field card, set Eternal Soul, that, and then we could have done that still. That's Salvation for you. That's... We'll try this line. This is like the weaker line. This is definitely not a good play to just not have any negates or anything. Fusion Destiny. Oh. Well, we might get OTK'd here, which is fine. We gotta get. We OTK a lot. We gotta get OTK'd during damage cal. Dystopia. Target 1, level 4. Yep. I don't think we would have stopped it regardless. Let me see here. I think just special summons, right? If this card's current attack is different from its original attack, except you can target one card on the field and destroy it. So you can change it. Ow! Who hit me? Was it you? Oh, he's gonna try to pop something now. Oh! The Honest Neos. Dang! Pump it! Pump it! Yeah, that's gonna be popped. Ooh. Wait, I can't activate? What? Oh, what? Did I accidentally press that? No! Why? I guess the response thing was off. It was off, right? It wasn't on. Did I press? I don't think I did. Oh, I took unnecessary. Oh, I took unnecessary damage, and then I would have had the 2 dark ones. Ah, I would have had. Yeah, no, there's nada. There's nothing I can do here except pray. Yeah. Ah, man. I'm just gonna hope that back row isn't like a mirror force or anything like that, or a magic cylinder. Oh, magic cylinder would hurt. Magicians. We actually want to get destroyed by battle. We want to bring both of them out. So 20 is a good number to hit. If he has another Honest Neos, it is what it is. It's game time. Yep, we get to bring out both Dark Magician and Dark Magician Girl. So we want that in the graveyard. She'll be a little stronger too, because what if we have one? Maybe we could have kept one in the grave. No. Can you save that for next turn? Can we pull it off? Ooh, nope. We gotta go main phase 2. Let's not misclick. Let's not mess up here. We gotta set this. Let's set this. Let's end. Take battle damage or effect. You can place some show during your main phase of this card. You contribute 1 hero monster special summon this card. If this card is special summon. Okay. Ooh, nice. The Stratos. You get whatever you need to get. This is not the time to play it yet. Oh, it's tense. I feel it. Okay, so you contribute. Yeah, it's a special summon it, and then if you do... No, we're fine. We're still okay. We committed a normal summon. We gotta see what he adds to hand. Vion. And this special. Okay, nope, not yet. Tribute 1. Okay, Vion. You can add, right? You can add once per turn. You can banish a hero from the graveyard, or he becomes a. Banish. Nope, we still let it go. Let him get the polymerization. Let's see what he uses for. Dark Rachel for me. No. Dang, okay. The dark, was this Dark Fusion? So that's banishing. If this is the part where we would destroy, if we can, let's see what he brings out. Malicious Bane. Okay, Malicious Bane. This is where I think we destroy it. So level 5, this person cannot be destroyed by battle or card effects. You can destroy all with attack. Oh no! This card gains search for each monster destroyed this way, and you cannot declare attack for each. Ah, I think that's game. Can't be destroyed by. Yup. Doesn't matter. Yeah, this is where we would have done it. Oh, Malicious Bane, and then he's gonna pop. Ooh. It doesn't matter. He can pop all monsters, gain the attack points. Right? Yeah. He had the dark fusion anyways. There was no stopping that. That's, man. I wish I didn't take this huge chunk of damage right there. If I didn't take that early chunk of damage, I think we could have been living. But GG's. That's just the name of the game. I wanted to respond, tribute my the Magician's Rod out of there, grab my 2 Dark Magicians, but you know, that's the name of the game. That's just how it happens. Oh, that one hurt. You know what? We'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll fin. Unless there was no way I could respond, was there effect? I don't know. There was an effect that was like I can't respond to attacks, but I just think that the thing was off. My time to respond was just off, and I don't think I pressed that. But man, I mean, I could have when I was like moving the controller and stuff. This really good hand. Starting off, I mean, we're gonna hope we don't get tailored, ashed, or anything like that. No. Ooh, yeah. This is really good. Ooh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes, we want illusion, magic. Put that on top, put that on top. In all honesty, it won't matter. We're gonna search anyways. We're setting there. We're setting here. Yeah, we're gonna let this go now. For any potential like chains and everything, we don't want to resolve that incorrectly. No. No. Actually, we can set it. If we get Harpy's Feather Dusted right now, if we get Harpy's Feather Dusted or Lightning Storm, ding, that would hurt. I mean, I can still do stuff. I can still chain to it and resolve, but maybe I didn't need that. I would have been fine just with that and that. A hero lives! It's another hero player! Yeah, no, you're good. Another hero player. Yeah, man, do your thing, do your thing. You're good. We want... Okay, so, I played one copy of Kaiko in here. Match change? We got one Kaiko in here. So what we're gonna do Dark Magician from the hand. We're actually gonna do defense mode right now. We don't. I mean, level 4s. You know, you can just get OTK'd. And we'll do Dark Magician Girl. That's fine. Mass change. Yeah, you can do that. It's a quick effect. You're just gonna Dark Law regardless, I feel. So no. Like, there's no point to hit that one. He can just quick play. Oh, unless he wants to mass change that one then. Which is totally fine. You got 2 max change? But you only play once per... Oh no, you don't. You only play once per turn. Cannot be destroyed by battle. No. No. Nope. You're leaving those open. You can draw 1 card. That's cool. I don't think heroes play much back row, to be honest. Especially the mass hero. Cross hero? Oh, Wonder Driver. Wonder Driver. Target 1 power conditions from your graveyard, set it. Okay, so you can set it to forget it. Battle. Yeah. That's fine. That's all good. We're okay. We're okay. Draw a card. We're gonna chain it like this. We're gonna grab, we're gonna grab Dark Magic Attack right here. Ooh. And we're gonna stack on top of our deck. That's graveyard, this is deck. We're actually gonna grab bond between teacher and student. Now it's our turn, we're gonna draw that bond between teacher and student. We're bringing out the Dark Magician from the graveyard. We'll keep the one in hand if we need to. I just hope he doesn't get like bottom list or nothing. I'm gonna ban it. I'm choosing the one in the graveyard, right? I hope, yeah, should be. We're gonna banish this one. It can't be destroyed by battle. mash change or do something else to get rid of this. You can bring out Dark Magician Girl again, and then have a set card. Set it. This card is destroyed by battle. It says Vader. One hero monster from the hand. So it has to be destroyed by battle. Okay. Gotcha. Super Poly. Oh, I did not see Super Poly. Nice. Super Poly. Oh, he did his own? He doesn't have Escurado? You can add Miracle Fusion, right? Start one card on the field and destroy it. Well, I'm just gonna Dark Magic attack here. If you had Escuridao, that would have ruined everything. Dark Magician Girl? This is probably your best bet. I lose my one Dark Magician Girl. Wow. Oh, no, you should have gone Dark Magician Girl. Oh. Nah, we'll save it. We'll save it. We'll use that on Miracle Fusion. That one was fine though. That's the one that like yes. Actually, at this point too, Hero, I mean, if this card, especially when attack is declared, yeah, no, we can just Dark Magician Girl the Dragon Knight, and I think that's game. Because we don't want him destroying our Eternal Soul here, because once Eternal Soul's gone while it's face up, that's our whole board. There we go. Effect. Alright, this time we did everything we had to do. And that's it. Battle. Dark Magician. Dark Magic attack! Yeah! We got there! We got there. Whew. After that misplay earlier and losing a chunk of life points for like no reason, I'm glad we got to make a comeback and against a different hero deck, but we got there. All right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. We're just ranking on up. We're finally at gold, and I like gold. All right, peace.